An NBC 26 update, Brendan Dassey sentenced to life in prison for his role in the 2005 murder of Teresa Halbach. He could get another trial and possibly be released from jail altogether.
Today, NBC 26's Eric Crest was in Chicago at the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals, where a panel of judges are deciding Dassey's fate.
Brendan Dassey was just 16 years old with a low IQ of just 73, according to his defense, when he told investigators his alleged involvement in the murder of Teresa Halbach. Now, nearly 12 years later, a panel of federal judges are reconsidering his conviction on the basis he may have been coerced into a confession by interrogators.
This is a obviously interesting case. It's obviously an important case.
Ken Kratz, the former prosecutor in Dassey's trial, says Dassey was never coerced. And Tuesday, the state's prosecution agreed, arguing Dassey was never made promises of leniency for a confession. And despite interrogators telling Dassey at the time, "We already know, and honesty is the only thing that can set you free," the state says a confession was never coerced.
I'm hopeful that the conviction will be upheld and that the matter will finally be put to rest.
Dassey's defense told a panel of judges something very different, though. They say Dassey was fed answers from interrogators, even telling the panel of judges Dassey was given a free pass to confess to the worst. They even brought up that while being interrogated, the 16-year-old was told, "You're scared you might get arrested. You don't have to worry." And even if Dassey's attorneys convinced those three judges that their client was wrongfully convicted, it could still be months before they make their final decision.
My guess is no better than any of yours.
Keeping you connected in Chicago, I'm Eric Crest with NBC 26.